Good morning, I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Hope you had a good weekend. Well, with Wall Street being closed on Friday for the 4th of July holiday, Aussie investors will be scouring around for news and leads. Now, in this case, attention has been turned to Europe, where their stocks closed in negative territory on Friday. The UK's FTSE lost the most, 1.3%, while the German market, the DAX, fell the least, 0.8%. Now, on the economic front there, the German car sales numbers were out, crumbling 40% lower in June, down to a 30-year low. Now, as for individual shares, it was quite telling that Rolls-Royce shares fell 9%, while German's Delivery Hero gained 5% to a record high after Delivery Hero orders doubled in their second quarter thanks to COVID-19 lockdowns. But overall, the focus remained on the coronavirus resurgence, with negativity lingering after a top White House disease expert cautioned that the virus may have mutated and become more infectious. Now, on the commodity front, the oil price remained above $40.32 US despite losing around 1%. Gold last traded at $1,787 an ounce, the same price it was at on Friday, and the iron ore price gained 1% to $98.94, a bit of a clawback from Thursday. Now, what to watch today? Three key things. The Aussie share market is expected to fall 0.6% this Monday morning. If you go by the futures, keep in mind the Aussie market did rise 2.6% last week and is now up, as we can see from the chart, 33.2% from its COVID-19 bear market bottom. Secondly, the Aussie Government announced $190 million in funding to boost our local recycling industry, with the aim that generates recycling and investment of $600 million. Now, the investment will go to new infrastructure in sorting, remanufacturing materials such as mixed plastics, paper, tyres and glass, with the Commonwealth funding dependent on co-funding from industry, states and territories. So take your pick of the companies in this segment to watch, like Sims Metals Management, Tox Free Solutions, as well as Cleanaway Waste Management and Bingo Industries. Now, thirdly, on the economic front, a telling sign of the job market, ANZ job ads are out today for June, expecting to show a 0.8% lift in June, following the 0.5% rally in May. So if the gain is better than expected, keep an eye on consumer discretionary stocks like JB Hi-Fi, Afterpay, Zip, Harvey Norman and Kogan. Now, ending on three local trading ideas. Well, Bell Potter initiated coverage of Macquarie Telecom, MAQ, saying the stock is a buy with a 51.25 price target. Remembering on Friday, it showed that it's significantly undervalued at $45.30. Now, MAQ provides traditional telco services like mobile, internet data, etc. to 42% of federal government departments. But remember that MAQ's investment in cloud and collation services could be a huge game changer for MAQ, which could make it become a generational growth story. Secondly, UBS released a research report about Afterpay, showing Afterpay is producing better than expected growth numbers in the US and in the UK as well, hitting 1 million customers in England. But UBS maintained its sell skeptic rating on Afterpay. Bell Potter has APT as a buy. Goldman Sachs says it's a hold. Thirdly, on the smaller side of the market, Bell Potter initiated coverage of Kazia Therapeutics, KZA, a company that's aiming to treat glioblastoma, a cancerous brain and spine tumour. Now, KZA's drug was licensed to a San Fran-based company called Genentech in 2016. Since then, KZA's continued development in this space. Interim data shows significant promise. Bell Potter says KZA should grow 96% to $1, but it is a speculative buy as it's not producing earnings and it's currently making a loss. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Stay safe and happy trading.